Affirmations. This is why you should personalize them. Say, for example, you are given your favorite dream car, that car that your entire life that you always dreamt about. And you get this wonderful, magnificent car. And you look at it and you say, oh no, it's sunshine yellow and you hate yellow. So you think to yourself, man, I must change this. Very much like we try to change ourselves and then very, very often fail. Now, you look at this car, you say the yellow needs to go. So you think, hey man, it's going to be pearl white. So you get your buckets of pearl white. So it's going to be all and shiny and new, just the way that you want it. And just the way that you want to change. You want to change to be a better version of you. So you take that pearl white and you slap it on with a brush over that yellow. And full of expectation, you look at that and you say, okay, it's not perfect. There's a couple of drips here and there, but it's white. Now, you see, you've completely changed the entire appearance. That's exactly what we do with change initially. And then we find out, to our dismay, you look at this car and the white has now dried. And then you see, but it's starting to peel off. It's starting to peel bit for bit. And soon it's all yellow again. Because all those intentions and all those pretty stuff, all the white has now gone again. That's what happens to us when we try and change. When we try and slap stuff, the new change that we want, we slap on the old us. Then it starts to peel off. And it peels off until it's only our old self that remains. So, what do we do? Well, the difficulty with affirmations is that we are very keen to run to the internet and to put in there, like, for example, give me affirmations for success. And you go, okay, here it is, I'm going to be successful. Maybe, but maybe not. Here's the thing. What does success mean for you? Success is not specific. One man's success is not another's. You live a specific life. You have specific goals. Those goals need to be addressed with specific affirmations, not generalist ones. So we run and we look at all these affirmations and we get the subliminal ones that we can sleep with and all of that. I'm not breaking that down. I'm just saying if it works for you, go for it. But if it doesn't work, then I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why I believe it's not working. And the first is that we keep on peeling that stuff off, because the second one is that those affirmations are so general and it may generally change stuff. But as I said in previous videos, we need to strip down all the old paint, all the old us, and then we need to apply the positive stuff. If we don't strip everything down, it's just going to peel off again and we'll be back at square one. So, how do we do personalized affirmations? A couple of rules. Firstly, please do personalize them. Tell yourself, I'm here now in my career. I would love to be promoted to that position. Very specific. Now, you need to tell yourself, it is already so. The two words that you'll use is I am. That indicates you are already so. Last night when you went to sleep, when you woke up this morning, you were a junior clerk. When you woke up tomorrow morning, your mind must already say, I am a senior clerk. I am. It is already done. done and dusted. That is how you change. You take the new photograph of yourself in your mind, that image, that successful image. You emotionalize that and you put it in the already so category. I am already a wonderful senior clerk. I am so happy and grateful that I am a senior clerk. That's what you do. You go, I am so wonderfully happy that I weigh 70 kilograms. Sure, you're still 90 kilograms, it doesn't matter. It will become so because you have overwritten your old code. Now you are applying the positive stuff onto the old paint. And then it will not peel off slowly over time again. This time it will be permanent because we're doing it in the correct manner. Now, the other thing about personalizing your affirmations, you need to make them very, very emotional. We react upon emotions. We live an emotional, full life. We are made up of what a friend of mine referred to as messy emotions. Now, the thing to do is to let those emotions work for you, not against you. So you use the positive emotions of like happiness, of joy, of gratification, of yes, man, I made it. I am so now. It's already done. So you take all of that and you combine them. So you personalize, number one. Number two, you make it so. It is already done. Number three, you make it very, very emotional. Number four, you need to be in the correct state of mind to receive your affirmations. You can look at my channel, there is a video about getting you into a state like that. Once you're in a state like that, I would suggest that you do affirmations thrice daily, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. And this is not going to take you a lot of time. It's literally 5 to 10 minutes per session. So you're looking at maybe at most half an hour of your day that you need to spend on your personalized affirmations. So have a look at that goal. Rewrite your goals in the I am. It's already so. I am 70 kilograms. I am a senior clerk. I am a human resource manager. I am now much better than I was yesterday. I am a much improved version of myself. If you start doing that, you will progress very, very quickly to attain your goal. Because now we're not just slapping on new paint over old paint. Now we are putting a brand new layer of bright new me paint over bare metal. And that is when it will stick. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.